Artz Algebra II class, I figured it would be a good idea to demonstrate how to attach your handwritten work to the assignment that Mr. Artz posted. I will scroll down to the March 19th assignment, and when I click on it, I can see his assignment here, and then I can also see an example. As I'm working on the assignment, all I have to do is click this, handwrite my assignment, scroll through, down to number 18. When I'm all done, I can go back, and I can take my handwritten work and put the answers over here in the private comments. As you can see, letter A says, in the private comments, respond with your answers in the following format. Number 1, and then I will put my answers for X and Y. And I will do that for all 18 problems. You can see how easy it is and how it's going to be really easy for Mr. Artz to write that. Once you're done typing in those private comments, you have to post it by clicking the little arrow here on the bottom right-hand side. All Mr. Artz has to do now is scroll down through your private comments, and he sees your responses. The next thing that Mr. Artz wants us to do is to snap a photo of our work and attach it to this assignment in the top right corner. There are a couple ways to do this. You can snap a photo with your phone and then add it in Google Classroom, or if you need to use a laptop to do that, you can email it to yourself and do the same thing. In this case, I added mine in Google Drive and in my laptop folder. So I will go to my Google Drive, double-click the image of the homework, and there it is. If I want to use my file, which comes right from my device, I click on that, and then you can see I double-click the image. It's going to upload it. It might take a little longer if it's coming from your computer and not from Google Drive. And here you can see it is now uploaded as well. Once you're done with that, you click Turn It In. When Mr. Artz receives this, all he has to do is click on your name, come to your page, scroll through your private comments to see check your answers and give you your grade. Then he goes back and checks your work, which will look like this. If you have any questions or you think you need to add more, you can always unsubmit and add or create another one. Any questions? Contact me or contact Mr. Artz. Thanks.